Railway is in union list. Railway police is in state list. Corporation tax is in union list. Census is in union list. Economic and social planning is in concurrent list. This was asked in UPPCS 2001 prelims exam. How many states and union territories were established by the State Reorganization Act 1956? Option A 14 states 6 UT, option B 18 states 9 UT, option C 22 states 8 UT, option D 21 states 7 UT. Answer is option A 14 states 6 UT. The total number of schedules in the Constitution: A12, B16, C8, D10. Answer is A12. Consider the following statements. 1. The Constitution of India has 20 parts. 2. There are 390 articles in the Constitution of India in all. 3. 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th schedules were added to the Constitution of India by the Constitution Amendment Acts. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A 1 and 2, option B 2 only, option C 3 only, option D 1, 2 and 3. Answer is 3 only. The Parliament of India can place a particular law in 9th schedule of the Constitution of India. Second, the validity of a law placed in the 9th schedule cannot be examined by any court and no judgment can be made on it. Which of the statements are correct? A1 only, B2 only, C3 only, D1 to 3. Answer is A1 only. Which part of the Constitution contains provisions relating to the citizenship? Option A Part 1, option B Part 3, option C Part 2, option D Part 4. Answer is option C Part 2. Which part of the Constitution contains provisions relating to the fundamental rights? Option A Part 1, option B Part 3, option C Part 2, option D Part 4. Answer is option B Part 3. Which part of the Constitution contains provisions relating to the Union Territories? Option A Part 1, option B Part 3, option C Part 2, option D Part 8. Answer is option D Part 8. Which part of our Constitution envisages a three-tier system of panchayats? A Part 9, B Part 10th, C Part 11th, D Part 12th. Answer is A Part 9. Which one of the following schedules of the Indian Constitution lists the names of states and specifies their territories? Option A first, option B second, option C third, option D fourth. Answer is option A first. Third schedule deals with forms of oaths or affirmation to be made by following: a minister of union and state, a candidate for election to the parliament and state legislature, MP, MLA, member of parliament, member of legislative assemblies, judges of Supreme Court and High Court, and the Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Fourth schedule of the Constitution of India deals with: A. Allocation of seats for Council of States, B. Political defection, C. Panchayat system, D. Languages. Answer is option A. Allocation of seats for the Council of States. If a new state of the Indian Union is to be created, which one of the following schedules of the Constitution must be amended? Option A first, option B second, option C third, option D fourth. Answer is option A, first. Fourth schedule, allocation of seats in the Council of States. Sixth schedule, tribal areas. Eighth schedule, languages. Ninth schedule, land reforms. Under which schedule of the Constitution of India can be transfer of tribal land to private parties for mining be declared null and void? Option A, third schedule. Option B, fifth schedule. Option C, ninth schedule. Option D, 12th schedule. Answer is option B, fifth schedule. Seventh schedule, distribution of legislative powers, union, state and concurrent list. Eighth schedule, languages. Ninth schedule, validation of certain acts. 10th schedule, disqualification on ground of defection. Which of the following is not correctly matched? A, public health and sanitation in state list. B, census in union list. C, allocation of seats in the Council of States in second schedule. D, anti-defection in 10th schedule. Answer is option C, allocation of seats in the Council of States in second schedule. Which of the language is not included in the 8th schedule of the Constitution? Option A, English. Option B, Hindi. Option C, Sanskrit. Option D, Urdu. Answer is option A, English. Kolho case is related to which schedule of the Constitution of India? Option A, 7th. Option B, 8th. Option C, 9th. Option D, 10th. Answer is C, 9th schedule. To give constitutional protection, state land reforms laws have been included in the A, 7th schedule, B, 8th schedule, C, 9th schedule, D, 10th schedule. Answer is C, 9th schedule. Under the Constitution of India, economic planning is a subject in the state list, in the union list, in the concurrent list, not specified in any list. Answer is C, in the concurrent list. Which of the following is the subject of concurrent list? A, police. B, criminal matters. C, radio and television. D, foreign affairs. Answer is option B, criminal matters. Which of the following entry is subject of concurrent list? A, population control and family planning. B, public health and sanitation. C, per person tax. D, treasure travel. Answer is A, population control and family planning. Which of the following subject lies in the concurrent list? Option A, agriculture. Option B, education. Option C, police. Option D, defense. Answer is option B, education. The education, which was initially a state subject, was transferred to the concurrent list by the A, 24th Amendment, B, 25th Amendment, C, 42nd Amendment, D, 44th Amendment. Answer is option C, 42nd Amendment. Stock exchange and post office saving bank is in union list. Public health is in state list. Forest is in concurrent list. Initially it was the subject of state list. Census is in union list. Police and public order is in state list. Population control and family planning is in concurrent list. Space research is in residuary list. Which of the following provisions of the Constitution of India have a bearing on education? 1. DPSP, 2. Rural and urban local bodies, 3. 5th schedule, 4th 6th schedule, 5th 7th schedule. Option A 1 and 2, option B 3 4 5, option C 1 2 5, option D 1 2 3 4 5. Answer is option D 1 2 3 4 5. Which one of the following schedules of the Constitution of India contains provision regarding anti-defection law? A 2nd schedule, B 5th schedule, C 8th schedule, D 10th schedule. Answer is D 10th schedule. Banking, insurance and census is in union list. Gas is in state list. Defense is in union list. Foreign affairs is in union list. Railways is in union list. Agriculture is in state list. The preamble to the Constitution of India is a part of the Constitution but has no legal effect. B. Not a part of the Constitution and has no legal effect either. C. A part of the Constitution and has the same legal effect as any other part. D. A part of the Constitution but has no legal effect independently of other parts. Answer is option D. A part of the Constitution but has no legal effect independently of other part. Education is in concurrent list. Electricity is in concurrent list. Forest is in concurrent list. Railway police is in state list. In which list of the Indian Constitution the Panchayati Raj subject is included? A. Union list, B. State list, C. Concurrent list, D. Residuary list. Answer is option B. State list. Criminal procedure is in concurrent list. Public order is in state list. Prisons is in state list. Police is in state list. Marriage, divorce and adoption are an entry in the 7th schedule of the Constitution under the following: Union list, state list, concurrent list, none of these three lists. Answer is C. Concurrent list. The right of the government to impose taxes and fees is provided in which list of the Constitution? Option A 6th, option B 7th, option C 9th, option D 11th. Answer is option B 7th schedule. Which schedule of the Constitution of India contains special provisions for the administration and control of scheduled areas in several states? Option A 3rd, option B 5th, option C 7th, option D 9th. Answer is option B 5th. The 6th schedule of the Constitution of India deals with the administration of tribal areas of which of the following states? Option A Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Goa. Option B Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram. Option C Uttarakhand, Manipur, Jharkhand. Option D Nagaland, Arunachal and Tripura. Answer is option B Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram. The provisions of the 5th and 6th schedule in the Constitution of India are made to: A. Protect the interest of scheduled tribes. B. Determine the boundaries between states. C. Determine the powers, authority and responsibility of panchayats. D. Protect the interests of all the border states. Answer is option A. Protect the interests of scheduled tribes. The constitutional status has been given to the panchayats under the Article 226, 243, 239, 219. Answer is option B. 243. The provision that no bill imposing tax can be introduced in the legislature except on the recommendation of the President is covered in the Constitution of India under A. Article 117, B. Article 266, C. Article 306, D. Article 307. Answer is Article 117, that is option A. Special provision regarding financial bills is given under A. Article 117, B. Article 266, C. Article 306, D. Article 307. Answer is option A. Article 117. Which one of the following articles of the Indian Constitution provides for all India services? Option A 310, option B 311, option C 312, option D 313. Answer is option C 312. Elections come under Part 15 and Article 324 to 329. Supreme Court Article 124, UPSC Article 315, Attorney General of India Article 76, Article 351 Directive for Development of Hindi Language. Article 39A Equal Justice and Free Legal Aid. Article 40 Organization of Village Panchayats. Article 44 Uniform Civil Code. Article 48 Organization of Agriculture and Animal Husbandry. Article 50 the separation of judiciary from the executive. Organization of Village Panchayat Article 40. Uniform Civil Code Article 44. Agriculture and Animal Husbandry Article 48. Separation of judiciary from executive Article 50. Promotion of International Peace Article 51. Article 61 Procedure for impeachment of the President. Article 67B Removal of Vice President. Article 94 Removal of Speaker. Article 90 Removal of Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Article 54 Election of the President. Article 75 Appointment of the Prime Minister and other ministers shall be appointed by the President on the advice of Prime Minister. Article 155 Appointment of the Governor. Article 164 Appointment of Chief Minister of States and other ministers shall be appointed by the Governor on the advice of Chief Minister. Article 170 contains provision for the composition of state legislative assemblies. Article 323A Administrative Tribunals. Article 324 Election. Article 330 Reservation of seats for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in Lok Sabha. Article 320 Function of Public Service Commissions. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides right to vote, that is adult suffrage, for electing representatives of Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha? Option A Article 326, option B Article 325, option C Article 324, option D Article 323. Answer is option A Article 326. This is question from UPPCS Prelims 2016. Comptroller and Auditor General of India Article 148. Finance Commission Article 280. Administrative Tribunal Article 323A. Union Public Service Commission Article 315. Article 215 High Courts to be courts of record. Article 222 Transfer of judges from one High Court to another High Court. Article 226 Writ jurisdiction of High Courts. Article 227, High Court's power of superintendence over all courts. Under which article of the Indian Constitution there is provision for the High Courts for Union Territories? Option A, Article 240, Option B, Article 241, Option C, Article 242, Option D, Article 239. Answer is option B, Article 241. In which article of the Constitution the adult suffrage is recognized? Option A, Article 324, Option B, Article 325, Option C, Article 326, Option D, Article 327. Answer is option C, Article 326. This match the column was asked in UPPCS Mains 2015. Article 76, Attorney General of India. Article 148, Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Article 75(1), Appointment of Union Ministers. Article 131, Original Jurisdiction of Supreme Court. This match the column was asked in UPPCS Mains 2009. Part 9, Panchayats. Part 8, Union Territories. Part 4th, Fundamental Duties. Part 9th, Municipalities. Part 9b, Cooperative Societies. Part 14th, Tribunals. This match the column was asked in UPPCS Means 2013. Part 18th, Emergency Provisions. Part 15, Election. Part 16, Special Provision in relation to certain classes. Part 17th, Official Language. Which of the following is correct about the heading of Article 162 of the Constitution of India? Option A, Executive Power of State. Option B, Conditions of Governor Office. Option C, Term of Office of Governor. Option D, Extension of Executive Power of the State. Answer is option D, Extension of Executive Power of the State.